Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you through my process of designing a tattoo in Adobe Fresco. So first things first, let's open up the app and create a polygon shape. This is going to serve as a guideline for a frame and help us figure out the composition. On the left, you can see the time-lapse of my process, and on the right, a screen recording of my workflow. I want this tattoo to feature a young woman holding a candle with a raven in the foreground within an ornamental frame. So it's time to start sketching. I'm using the pencil brush. I always start by drawing just loose forms and building up details as I go. As you see on the right, I zoom when needed and rotate the canvas while drawing just as I would a piece of paper to facilitate natural hand movements. Once I'm satisfied with my sketch, I pick up the sharp inker brush, I create a new layer and I start inking the drawing. This process doesn't really follow any rules. Just remember to look at your design as a whole, zoom out and don't get too focused on one area. Slowly it's going to come to life. Just adapt anything that doesn't feel right. Also, don't be scared to start over if something is not working out, just as I did with the raven. I like to play around with different line weights. To do that, just press more or less on your Apple Pencil to vary your line thickness. When it comes to the ornamental elements, it is important to me that there's no line thickness variation, so I change my brush to the hard round brush. And to create the dots, I simply ramp up the size of the brush and click once without pulling a line, and it will create a perfect circle. Once I'm satisfied with my line work and how the design looks in black and white, it's time to add some color. I create a layer underneath and start painting using the canvas brush. And there you have it, a unique tattoo design. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my process. If you would like to follow more of my work, you can check out my Instagrams at Nadejda Alienor for illustration work and at nadtattoos for my tattoo work. You can also check out my website, which is nadejda.de. A special thanks to Adobe for commissioning me as part of their community fund. It was awesome working on this. Thank you for checking this tutorial out and have a great day.